Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and this is kind of be a fun project, kind of using a couple of different tools and get an idea. I was sitting here drawing a picket fence for something I'm doing tomorrow, and I might go back and add some knot holes or something, but I thought I'd show you how I did this in just a few steps. Make a picket fence like that or a shape like that, and you might get some other ideas for something else. But I've got a rectangle. I'm going to convert it to a curve. I'm going to get my shape tool, and as just a previous video, I'm going to select just that node. I'm going to go up and add node. Then I'm going to add one more. Okay, I'm going to change my nudge distance to 2 inches. Get my shape tool back, grab just that one, hold down my shift key, and I'm going to nudge up 2 inches. Get my 2-point line, and because a 2-point line, if you go from that node and hold down your control button, it'll go right to that midpoint. Now, if we're going to use this multiple times, we want to get rid of this one line. And I think the easiest way, and the way I do it, is I just take a 2-point line and just draw two 2-point lines. Take my virtual segment delete key and delete that line. Delete the lines I just drew. Then you can zoom in here, get your shape tool, and now you can delete that one node and it doesn't go any further. If you did this with the whole line, it would delete the whole thing. Our item is 5 inches, so I'm going to change my nudge distance to 5. I'm going to select it all, and I'm going to go Control D. I'm going to move it over to as many times as your heart contents. Then just take your 2-point line and finish up that last line, node to node. Then I would grab it all. Let's get it out of the page so you can see it better. Grab it all, and lately I've been using the F12 key a lot. I don't have to go down here to this and click on it. I can hit F12 and it comes up with a pin outline. I'm going to make it 1 inch. I'm going to make it black, and I'm going to scale it to object. That way, no matter how big I make my picket fence in the morning, it'll be still that thick of a line. But just with a few keystrokes, and you could have made one at a time, but you would have had to do this basically the same thing, and you doubled it up. But anyway, hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.